hit by Trenton Sweat, number 13. We're still watching for the Mad Dog. $2,000 in a pack. Nice hit by Luke. They're still pushing him up and over. Come on, boys, man. What are you thinking now? Paramedics into the arena right now. Shut her down! Shut it down, everybody! Shut it down! Somebody's underneath the paramedics into the arena right now. As one of our officials are in there, we hate to see things happen like this, but we appreciate all those who are helping us push this car back off. We've got to get the individual out from underneath that heavy barricade right there. They're over 1,000 pounds. Let the paramedics in right now. Please make room for the paramedics. One of our workers over there was injured as Trenton Sweat's car was pushed over the barricade.
No, he's not.
As our paramedics are checking out, one of our officials over there, ladies and gentlemen, our hearts, our thoughts, our prayers go out to this individual. We want to make sure that he is okay, that everything is going to be all right. We have the best emergency officials out here. Wasatch County with our EMTs and also the fire department are here.
Hey, Jason.
Yes.
He is coherent. He can hear you, Wasatch County. Let's hear it for him. We're checking him out right now.
Yes, we hate to see these things happen, but as we got our heavy-duty extraction and rescue fire department here, also our search and rescue. But these search and rescue guys work so hard in the Dollar Ridge fire, helping keep everybody safe. We appreciate them. But as we also appreciate our, not only our EMTs and our fire department here tonight, also Wasatch County Medical Center is one of the premier medical centers